Great American Tower at Queen City Square is a prominent skyscraper in Cincinnati, Ohio, USA, standing at 665 feet, 203 meters. Completed in 2011, it is the tallest building in Cincinnati and the third tallest in Ohio. The tower's design, created by HOK, features a distinctive tiara-like top, reminiscent of New York City's Chrysler Building. The building has 41 floors, primarily dedicated to office space, and serves as the headquarters for Great American Insurance Group. Part of the Queen City Square complex, it offers over 800,000 square feet of leasable space. The tower is known for its modern glass and aluminum exterior, advanced amenities, and eco-friendly design, which earned it a LEED certification. Located in downtown Cincinnati, the Great American Tower provides stunning views of the Ohio River and the city, making it a key feature of the skyline and a symbol of the city's modern development.